everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Guys, today we celebrate Heritage Day, where we remember our roots as South Africa, and we also use this day to teach our young generation about isintu sethu. A 25-year-old musician Makhadzi decided to wear all 9 official language of South Africa outfit as a sign of showing appreciation to everyone who supports her music, and also to remind us that she may be vendor by blood, but we are one big family. We are Africans. Guys, out of all 9 outfits, mina uMakhadzi ndimthanda kwezisiXhosa. Please leave your comment below and share your opinion. Which of Makhadzi's outfit do you love the most? Guys, that's all I have for today. Happy Heritage Days. Bye.